Biomagnetic treatment for dry cough. The first biomagnetic pair to be applied will be throat. We will place the negative and positive magnets parallel on the neck. We can use a metal plate or a piece of iron to hold the magnets in place and prevent any harm. The second biomagnetic pair to be applied will be larynx. We will place the negative magnet at the upper part of the neck and the positive magnet at the lower part of the neck. The third biomagnetic pair to be applied will be vagina. We will place the negative magnet at the upper part and the positive magnet at the lower part. In the case of a man, the biomagnetic pair is applied in the same way and in the same area. The fourth biomagnetic pair to be applied will be spleen. We will place the negative magnet under the left pectoral, and the positive magnet in the lower left area of the same. The fifth biomagnetic pair to be applied will be first rib. We will place the negative magnet at the level of the upper right first rib and the positive magnet at the level of the upper left first rib. The sixth biomagnetic pair to be applied will be sternum handle. We will place the negative magnet on the right sternum handle and the positive magnet on the left sternum handle. The seventh biomagnetic pair to be applied will be subclavian. We will place the negative magnet at the base of the right neck and the positive magnet at the base of the left neck. The eighth biomagnetic pair to be applied will be diaphragmatic rib. We will place the negative magnet under the ribs on the left side, toward the front, and the positive magnet under the ribs on the left side, toward the back. The ninth biomagnetic pair to be applied will be eye corner. We will place the negative magnet to the right of the right eye and the positive magnet to the left of the left eye. The 10th biomagnetic pair to be applied will be infraaxillary. We will place the negative magnet in the right armpit and the positive magnet in the left armpit. Ideally, these pairs should be tested using holistic or applied kinesiology to determine the exact amount of time each biomagnetic pair should be applied, but in the absence of this testing, the general recommendation is to apply each biomagnetic pair for 5 minutes. Biomagnetic pairs are indicated with an empty circle or with the symbol +4 positive, and with a circle with a symbol for negative. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you want to contribute to continue enjoying this content, you can donate through the link in the description.
Los pares biomagnéticos se indican con un círculo vacío o con el símbolo más el positivo, y con un círculo con un símbolo menos, o la letra N, el negativo. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Si te ha gustado, no olvides darle a me gusta, comentar y compartir. Si quieres colaborar para seguir disfrutando de este contenido, puedes donar en el enlace de la descripción.